Yeah, what's good, bro? How you doing? 50 gang out here.
We have seen a lot of
yeah, the cops ain't doing nothing, but there's a accident. They're blocking off 2 of the roads. So the very right lane is the only one accessible.
You got an extra tire? No, my seat. That's your seat? What the?
It's not gonna flat.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, we wildin'. No, we're out here. All I'm gonna say, we're out here and we busted. Scooter?
No, the other kid.
Yeah, I knew someone was gonna hit it, bro. I knew someone was gonna hit that scooter, dude. Paying attention, bro. So that scooter rider, or the Grom rider, that scooter that I swerved on that bridge, bro, and I was like, dude, I knew someone was gonna hit it. I mean, I think he like lagged. Freaking out here, bro.
He hit the scooter. Yo, hit the pole. He hit the scooter. Bro, and then like the bike and the car just started wobbling, and it went and like hit like the fence, like the thing, and he just like basically like whiskey throttle.
Yeah.
Basically whiskey throttle, and the thing just dragged him through the whole wall.
Damn.
Look like his hand is sliced open or something. He said he didn't feel good. He's like, his Grom don't start. I don't think he can.
We're good now. Get the chain back on.
Oh Lord. Hey, don't forget your seat.
All my bikes aren't this flat.
Wait, did you see it or no?
I saw it, yeah.
Oh boy. Was he in a wheelie when he hit the scooter?
No, that part I didn't see. I basically saw the scooter last minute, and I put my feet out, basically kind of like, yo, heads up, there's something right here.
Yeah.
And I turned
Scary.
around to make sure no one hit it, and he just already told me a mile before I got there that there was a abandoned scooter in the middle. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I seen it. I swerved it. I was like, yo, what are you doing? You're stashing
This
it?
thing in the bushes. I gotta get a Grom.
What are you riding?
I gotta take his Grom. He can't ride.
Oh, you're taking his Grom?
Yeah.
You're a real one, bro.
The pocket bike is hard.
Yo, he literally just ditched the bike into some random bushes. And yeah, now we're here.
My bike's hidden, so okay.
Mini bike madness going on.
I have it with my car. I have my bike there so I can take his bike home. Okay? Keep an eye on it.
Thank you.
Thank you. She's a real one.
You're a real one, facts.
They're gonna open the window and just kick the bike right through the window.
It's alright.
Bro, that would be so funny. Hitting some moves real quick. Hey! Hey! I'm gonna come back and steal your pocket bike. Alright, we made it into a parking garage. We're in the park garage right now. Look
like we didn't meet. All the feelings deceased. Let the feelings and sheets. No, we don't even gotta speak. Can't give you the closure you seek. Let it all die in a piece. But if you really won't speak,
Hey, later, bro.
say fuck what it was.
There she goes.
Cause I know it's not in you. Stop, but it continue. I was trying to fix you. So tell me the issue. Looking for somebody else. The person I met, you sounded upset, screaming out threats. You hiding in text, looking no vex. Wish you the best. On to the next, yeah. Finna get rest, yeah. Tired of your mess, yeah.
The meme.
Playing the victim.
The meme. The pocket bike went down, bro. You good? Holy crap.
Hit that sewer cap.
He said he hit a sewer cap. Is there? Huh?
That car's been following him.
For real? Like, what do you mean you drove by where? At the gas station?
No, right now.
Oh, I think he's just going to his neighborhood. I mean, he got a strap at his house, right?
Oh yeah, when I see you in streets, it's like we didn't meet. All the feelings deceased. Let the feelings and sheets. No, we don't even gotta speak. Can't give you the closure you seek. Let it all die in a piece. But if you really won't speak,
You guys got me sketching and shit. They're sketching over here, like there's a car following us. So there's a car following us. I'm like, what?
Where's that car at?
Oh, that's
He
what.
was following us for a while since like the gas station. He saw him.
Camaro or whatever it was?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that guy works at the.
We in the hood, man. It's all good here.
Alrighty, gang. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Fun little mini Monday on the 50. Shout out to everyone else who popped out. Super sick night. We got merch in the description. I love you till next time. Peace.